there are 8 kinds of words in English. Word classes or parts of speech is in the previous classes, right? So in that class we are seeing for noun and pronoun. Now we know that one what's a noun is a simple sentence thing you can remember, naming word. Then pronoun, you are seeing that one, that instead of noun, he, she, it, they, we saw that one. Okay. Today now we will go for verb and adverb. Today we will learn for the verb and adverb. Now we will see what is a verb. What is a verb? Verb is nothing but action. Action, word. That's called verb. Verbs are words indicating action or state of being in a sentence. We already know that one. What is a sentence? What is a predicate? We complete that one. So what's a sentence? Means sentence. Subject and the predicate is there. In subject, what the subject is doing is the thing or a person is called for that subject, and the predicate what the subject is doing. So here now we are going for the verb. Verbs are word indicating action. Indicating action. Indicating action or state being in a what the person or subject is doing there in the action is called verb. So that action is in a state of being a sentence. A sentence is incomplete without a presence of a finite verb in it. Examples. So what is the infinite verb here? Play, eat, teach, like that. For example, that's an action word for that is called for. A sentence is incomplete without the presence of finite verb in it. Example, play, eat, and, or, ask, gone, etc. So verb is an action word I told. So it's a play, eat, etc. is the example for that one. Here, what is the verb is an action word I told already. Then we will go for the adverb is action. Verb, play, eat. The boy play cricket. Okay, what the boy is a noun, play is a verb, and what the play is doing, playing cricket. So the boy is a noun, play is a verb, the action word. The teacher is teaching, teaching is an action word. The students are writing, writing is an action word. The girl is singing, singing is a writing word. The singing is a verb, action word. What the subject is doing is called an action word. Next one, instead of verb, we have to do for the adverb. Now you very clear, you know verb is nothing but a action word. Then we go for adverb. What is adverb indicate here? Adverb is an action describing word. Describing word. So you can keep it in your mind. Verb is action word. The adverb is a describing word. Describing word. If a simple instead of sentence, if you are keeping in your mind for this one, describing word is a adverb. What's the describing word in the verb? It indicates the quality, type, nature, or any action word. That is, any action means nothing but verb. So what is the describing word? That is in the adverb describing a quality, type, nature of action. Nature of action. So here you know about, should not confuse what is verb and what is an adverb, right? So a verb is an action word, what the subject is doing. Then we are going for the adverb. It's describing the verb. Describing the verb is called adverb. It's quality, type, quantity, and everything is there in the adverb. What is the example for this adverb? We can see one example. See, the girl sings melodiously. The girl running fast. So then quality. The cake is very delicious. The sweet is very yummy. So telling about the quality. Quantity. Quantity means the measurement. Then we have to say the numbers also in the adverb. The boy is sitting in the front row, first row. So we are telling for the first row, front row, like that. Okay. The girl is sitting in the last bench. So last. That's not describing about the action. That's called for the adverb. So here then we are telling about the quality, quantity, nature of action. Fast. The boy is writing very slowly. So most of the word for end with ly is called. Here the boy is writing the lesson very slowly. The boy writes very fast. So it's nature of the person we are describing about the action of the person. It's called for the adverb. Now it's clear for that one, quality, quantity and the nature of the things. Now we can see for the adverb, running fast, writing slowly. The cake is very delicious. The sweet is the pizza is very yummy. So it's describing about the thing, describing about the noun, describing about the verb. How it is when the verb is describing about the verb in the one sentence only. Then what is the noun is doing is the action. That action only is called for the verb. How the verb is doing, whether the action is slow or fast or what to say, in so many, according to the sentences, according to the situation, it has to be differ. Maybe it is a quality, quantity and nature of the work. We are giving for more than one examples, right? That is called a adverb. Now you have to be clear. Parts of speech is 8. First one we finish for a noun, then we finish for pronoun, then we finish for verb and the adverb. Noun is a naming word, pronoun is instead of noun, and then verb is the action word. To describing about the action word is the adverb. When you start writing the sentence, when you start thinking which is the word, which is the verb, which is the adverb. For each and everything, when you daily life, when you are talking with your friends or writing the notes and note taking or note making, whatever it is, you can understand easily. For this one is the basic. For everything, this one is the basic. The 8 parts of the speech is the very basic for all the sentences and conversation, writing letters, whatever it is. So then we can go for all these 4. You can keep it in your mind today. Okay. Then for you write the examples. Write the examples as an assignment. You write the example 10 nouns and 10 pronoun. And 10 make the sentences of your own. 10 write it of 10 minutes. So verb. So you can write. The teacher is teaching. The teacher dictating the notes very fast. So what the teacher is doing? Teacher is a subject. Teacher is the noun. And what the teacher is doing? Teach.